Start by straining a 425-gram can of mangoes. That's about 15 ounces. This doesn't have to be perfect. You can go a little bit more or a little bit less depending on how much mango flavor you want. Allow all of the syrup to drain out of the mangoes. Then transfer your mangoes to a small food processor. Puree until very smooth. You could also do this with a regular blender or an immersion blender, and if you haven't got any of those, you can chop it up really finely by hand. Your final product won't be as silky and creamy, but it will still taste delicious. Pour the puree back through your sieve. You want to remove any of the really liquidy bits, but don't get rid of it. We're going to save this for later. To a bowl, add 1 can, 400 milliliters or 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Add in your mango puree and stir until it's completely combined. Set that aside. Now we're going to whip up our double or heavy cream. You'll need about 500 milliliters, around 2 cups. You can do this with a hand blender or in a stand mixer, but I'm doing it with a whisk by hand to show you just how easy it is. Whisk vigorously until you have medium to firm peaks. It always helps if your cream is very cold. It should look something like this. Add about 1/3 of the whipped cream to your sweetened condensed milk mixture. This is going to lighten up the mixture. That allows us to fold it in that much easier. Don't worry about losing too much air in your whipped cream at this point. Then pour your condensed milk mixture over top of your whipped cream and slowly start to fold it together until it's completely mixed. I like to go through with my whisk at the very end to make sure there's no little lumps of whipped cream still in there. Pour the mixture into a freezer-safe dish. Spread it out until it's even, and then using that leftover really liquidy bit of the mango puree, drizzle that all over the top to make it look absolutely beautiful. You're going to stick a skewer in and swirl it around so that it creates a ripple effect. You'll want to put this in the freezer and let it set for at least 5 hours, but take it out about 15 minutes before you want to serve it so that it comes up to temperature and is easier to scoop. The perfect treat for a hot summer's day. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and while you're there, subscribe because I come out with a new video every week. See you next time.